Gtech Multi Platinum Cordless Lightweight Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, reinforced with aluminum. Rechargeable 20 volts. 350 mAh. Lithium battery, powered brush bar. 30 minutes runtime. Brand Gtech. Special feature lightweight, handheld. Filter type cartridge. Included components, batteries included. Is cordless, yes. Surface recommendation. Dual action. Power source. Battery powered. Voltage. 20 volts. Item weight. 3 pounds and 30 pence. Powerful handheld vacuum. The Gtech Multi Platinum is a handheld vacuum cleaner that packs a punch with its 140 West motor and 20 volts lithium-ion battery, providing up to 30 minutes of cordless runtime on a single 3-hour charge. Versatile cleaning accessories. This vacuum comes equipped with a powered brush head for tackling carpets and upholstery, crevice tools for reaching tight spaces, an extension tube for added reach, and a dusting brush for delicate surfaces. Efficient bin system. The Multi Platinum features an easy empty bin system that compresses dirt and debris for maximized capacity, allowing for simple disposal with a flip of the latch. Fresh fragrance cartridges. Replaceable. Lightly scented cartridges help keep your home smelling fresh and eliminate any lingering pet odors, while a spare filter ensures you're always ready to clean. A passion for innovation that started early and never stops. From the age of 7, Gtech founder Nick Gray was driven by a fascination for making and designing things. Since 2001, his ideas and creativity have been the lifeblood of the company. Along with his firm belief that people notice and appreciate better design, we're true to ourselves and to our customers, empowered by a desire to make their lives easier and more fun.